Hello at Polio24. Today I'm happy to show you something new from Red Star. This is the anti-60 big date chronograph. So they changed the 60 to 06 on the bezel. You can turn the bezel in both directions smoothly. And so with this bezel 06 it's quite a different and unusual watch, not like the others. Also not like the others is the luminous hands and the luminous numbers here. They are very nice shining in the dark. And this watch is powered by the Seagull ST19 chronograph caliber, the column wheel chronograph caliber, with blue screws and swan neck fine regulation. This watch has a sapphire crystal, slightly domed, with anti-reflection, and certainly the big date here. You can adjust it with this pusher, and here are the seconds and the stopper minutes. And they made this nice watch with cream dial, white dial, then a very unusual color, the brown, a little bit maybe brown, red brown. Never saw this color in many watches on the dial, so it's unusual. And certainly very nice is the green dial, also luminous with matching green leather strap. So maybe you like these new models by Red Star as much as I do.